love it so much. Parang it's so vibrant. It's so... Tsaka sigurado ako pag ganyan yung shoes mo, kapag tumatakbo ka sa kalye, hindi ka masasagasaan. Kasi ang bright eh. I mean, yun naman normally kaya naman bright usually ang running shoes eh. Para syempre, when you're running at night, reflective, tapos makulay, parang striking, and you know na I'm here, don't run over me, don't bump me, or whatever. Yeah.
Talking about running, no? Ikaw isa sa mga celebrity na tumatakbo. Kumbaga, how important sa mga artists to have yung mga ganyang lifestyle that pangalagaan yung pangangatawan through running,
well,
exercise?
Ako kasi in particular, since, you know, parang we're in the entertainment industry but I'm a singer for a band eh. Hindi, ibang lifestyle kasi yun eh. So parang, I think I really need to run to compensate for the lack of sleep, to compensate for basically like yung mga days na dikit-dikit na hindi umuwi because of gigs. Tapos at the same time, it's also like for your lungs, para when you're singing, kasi kailangan mo ng hininga na yun eh. So, parang it really helps, lalo na for a musician. I think it's mas musician-centric yata. I mean, for me parang tingin ko mas kailangan palalo ng musicians.
Parang kayo ni parang kayo ni Kariel na tumatakbuhan.
Yeah, she also runs.
So talking about Kariel, marami na rin nag-aantay, medyo matagal-tagal na rin kayo together. Yung how about the baby, kailan daw magkakaroon?
Ano kasi, parang I guess when it's the right time, kasi we're both very, very busy eh. And parang okay pa naman kami, just the two of us, you know.